नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु मानस स्वागत करुच्ची आपनकु आपनक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑल इज वेल को। एबे हमें जानिबा पॉलिसी टर्म। इट इज द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट or the period of coverage provided by an insurance policy। अर्थात पॉलिसी टर्म कहले पॉलिसी रो ड्यूरेशन को बुझाई थाए। एबे हमें जानिबा प्रीमियम। इन ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस द इंश्योरर प्रॉमिसेस टू पे द पॉलिसी होल्डर ए स्पेसिफाइड सम ऑफ मनी इन द इवेंट ऑफ ए स्पेसिफाइड हैपनिंग। The policyholder has to pay a specified amount to the insurer in consideration of this promise, which is known as premium. Premium is a consideration that the policyholder has to pay in order to secure the benefits offered by the insurance contract. Depending on the product, premium payment frequency vary from annually, quarterly, half-yearly to monthly. Part payment of premium is not allowed. A policyholder must pay the first premium while submitting the proposal form. There are various types of premium paying policies. Limited premium policies. These are policy where the premium payment period is limited compared to the policy term. Whole life policies. These are policies which do not have a definite policy term and the contract terminates on the death of the life assured. Regular premium policies. These are policies where the premium payment is level and paid in regular interval like yearly, half-yearly, etc. Single premium policies. These are policies where the premium payment is made by a single contribution or a one-time payment at inception while submitting the proposal form. अर्थात इंश्योरेंस एग्रीमेंट अनुसार इंश्योरेंस नेउथिबा व्यक्ति ठारू इंश्योरेंस कंपनी एक निर्दिष्ट अमाउंट कलेक्ट करिथाय जहाकू प्रीमियम कहा जाए। आउ प्रीमियम नहीं सारिया परे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से व्यक्तिर भविष्य में हेबाकू थिबा फाइनेंशियल लॉस रो क्षतिपूरण निजर टर्म और कंडीशन अनुसार पूरण करिथाय। पॉलिसी होल्डर को इंश्योरेंस रो प्रथम प्रीमियम प्रपोजल फॉर्म रो सबमिट सहित देबा पई पड़िथाय। मुख्यतः चारि प्रकार रो प्रीमियम पेइंग पॉलिसी रहिछि। सेगुड़िक लिमिटेड प्रीमियम पॉलिसी, होल लाइफ पॉलिसी, रेगुलर प्रीमियम पॉलिसी आउ सिंगल प्रीमियम पॉलिसी। एबे हमें जानिबा प्रीमियम पेइंग टर्म विषय। प्रीमियम पेइंग टर्म और PPT is the total number of years for which the premium are payable. Premium paying term may be equal to or less than the policy term. एबे जानिबा रिवर्सनरी बोनस। Since some amount of money paid by the policyholders get reverted to him, hence the name reversionary bonus. Reversionary bonus is two types: simple reversionary bonus and compound reversionary bonus. Reversionary bonus is declared by the company every year throughout the lifetime of the policy. Once declared, it is attached to the policy and cannot be taken away. It becomes payable alone with a death or maturity claim. They form a part of the liabilities of the company. एबे जानिबा रिवाइवल। It is a process by which a life insurance company activates a policy which has been terminated because of non-payment of premium or has been continued under one of the non-forfeiture provisions like surrender or loan। अर्थात रिवाइवल हेउची इंश्योरेंस रो एमिति एक फीचर जहा द्वारा टर्मिनेटेड पॉलिसी को मध्य इनफोर्स पोजिशन को आनी हबो। एबे जानिबा राइडर विषय रे। राइडर इज एन एड ऑन फीचर टू द बेसिक पॉलिसी। इट इज एन ऑप्शनल कवरेज एट ए नॉमिनल कॉस्ट। देयर आर डेफिनेशन एंड एक्सक्लूशन फॉर different types of riders. Riders premium cannot exceed 30% of basic plan premium. Rider premium for health rider can be 100% of the basic plan premium with a term plan. Rider sum assured cannot exceed 100% of the basic sum assured. Rider claims are paid only at the occurrence of the insured event and expire at the end of the policy term. Simple words रे rider कहले rider हेउची एक add on feature with a nominal cost. Riders रो claim केतेक specified event रे ही मिली थाए आउ पॉलिसी रो एंड हवा समय रे राइडर मध्य एक्सपायर होई थाए। एबे हमें जानिबा सम assured. Sum assured is the coverage amount an individual is insured for and is guaranteed to the policy holder at the occurrence of the predefined events like death, maturity and survival with some conditions. Sum assured कहले से अमाउंट को बुझाई थाए जहा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इंश्योर्ड पर्सन को देबा पई प्रॉमिस करथाय इन केस ऑफ डेथ, मैच्योरिटी और सर्वाइवल। नेक्स्ट सरप्लस. Surplus is attributed to the loading premium that is paid by the policyholder for the par plans. It arises as a result of the life insurer's actual experience being better than what it had assumed on mortality rate, investment interest and expenses. It also is the outcomes due to the management's expertise of running the business and managing the funds. Hence, the surplus gets distributed between two stakeholders, namely the stakeholders of par plans under the name of bonus and the stakeholders of the company under the name of dividends. Next रे आसुची surrender benefit. Surrender is a voluntary termination of an insurance contract initiated by the policy holder. A policy holder can cancel the policy by surrendering it before a death claim arises or before it reaches maturity. The surrender value or benefits, also known as cash value, is the amount that the insurance company is liable to pay to the policyholder if the policy gets surrendered. Insurance company stipulates minimum 3 years, 2 years of some policies with policy term less than 10 years for the policy to accrue surrender value. इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी रे सरेंडर हेउची एमिति एक फीचर जहा द्वारा आवश्यक स्थले पॉलिसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को क्लोज करी सेतिरु कैश वैल्यू बाहर करी हेबो। हेले ता पई प्रथम 3 वर्ष आमे प्रीमियम भरिथिबा दरकार। नेक्स्ट सर्वाइवल बेनिफिट. इट इज द बेनिफिट पेड टू द पॉलिसी होल्डर ड्यूरिंग द टर्म ऑफ द पॉलिसी एज पर द टर्म एंड कंडीशन applicable. This is generally applicable to the money back policies and health plans. Next, terminal bonus. As the name suggests, this bonus is applicable only on its contractual termination by death or maturity. After declaration of reversionary and interim bonus for the par policies, the insurer still checks for some unpaid proportion of the policyholders that may be due to him. Such amount, if any, is returned under the name terminal bonus. And the last topic, vested or attached or accumulated bonus. Each year, depending upon the business performance, the company declares bonus. This bonus get attached or vested or accumulated to the in-force par policies. These accumulated or vested or attached bonus are then payable on death or maturity, whichever is earlier.